that we will discuss about, and the topic is what things are holding us back to improve.
And many people do manage to get education by facing difficulties because they want good job.
He can lose big opportunities because of too much desire.
Lack of discipline means not being able to stay consistent with your goals.
In my opinion, lack of ethics is a big problem for becoming better and success.
Lack of confidence holds us back from becoming better.
Because many people not become successful because of inflation.
We are afraid of making mistakes. We don't try new things or take risks.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is me Hamad Khan and we are from English in Liaquat Colony campus. So today we have the topic that we will discuss about, and the topic is what things are holding us back to improve. There are some problems in humanity, and there are some problems which we always do and we do not point it out. But today what we will do, everybody will tell me that what are the core problems which are stopping us to improve in our daily life, improving, they are stopping us to do anything. Okay, I think we should go first to Miss Tayeba. Tayeba, do you have something to say about it?
Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is me, Tayyaba. So in my view, unemployment are holding us to become a better because there are many educated youth in our society. They are very talented, but because of unemployment, their talent get wasted, and instead of doing any new work, they sit at home and lose their talent. And many people do manage to get education by facing difficulties because they want good job. But unfortunately, it is not a piece of cake to get good job in Pakistan. If you are rich, so you can get good job easily by giving bribe, but it is difficult for poor people. Firstly they give bribe and then they get good job. So because of these, poor people have to do labor, and that's why people just spend life. They are not spending life like they want. So in my view, unemployment are holding us to become a better. Thank you.
That was really great, Tayeba. We got to know the core problem that was about the difference between rich and poor and inequality that we don't have in Pakistan. So is there anyone that can address the next problem, which is the cause of this question? Mahin, do you have something to say about it?
Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is me Mahin on the behalf of English in Liaquat Colony campus. So today I will tell you what is the reason behind this. According to me, desire is the biggest reason behind this. First of all, I am telling you what is the desire. Desire means wanting something beyond a limit. A person with too much desire is never happy. He always wants more and more. He can lose big opportunities because of too much desire. He always wants to have a luxury life, so that's why he can lose his good life. He never gets satisfaction from his life. When he thinks about his too much desire, he gets depressed and stress as well. A person comparing himself with others, like she has that, he has that, why don't I have this or that? These jealousy cases start depression and stress. A person become greedy and selfish as well. Thank you for listening me.
She addressed the another core problem, that was greed, selfishness, and a lot more. So we have a lot of students, so we should get to know about it. Kashyap, do you have something to say about it? What do you want to say?
Hello everyone, I am Kashyap, and in my opinion, lack of discipline is a problem behind the lack of discipline is the reason behind this problem. Lack of discipline means not being able to stay consistent with your goals. A person who starts with motivation but quickly give up or lose up. Example: skipping study session regularly and wasting on time social media instead of working, and giving up when work becomes difficult, and not following a daily routine. That's it.
Not a great problem, basically. These are the major problem. I'm just admiring students that how are they answering this question. So another question we will not question. Khadija, do you have something to talk about it? Okay, what do you want to say about it?
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Myself Khadija, and today I will tell you the reason behind this question. In my opinion, lack of ethics is a big problem for becoming better and success. Like new era children are very stubborn, and children have no ethics, and children have no patience, and they don't respect elders and younger. They misbehave. In fact, elders make them understand for betterment, but they get irritated. So that's why young generation is not becoming better.
Another problem was addressed by Khatija. Aina, do you have something to talk about it? What do you want to say?
Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is me Aina. I am from English Institute Liaquat Colony campus. Today I will tell you what is the reason behind this question. In my opinion, Lack of confidence. Lack of confidence holds us back from becoming better. Like if someone comes in front of us, we cannot talk with them because of lack of confidence. And I saw some people, they have a lot of knowledge, they do want to share their ideas and thoughts, but they don't share anything because of lack of confidence. That's it.
So we would like to listen the boys' point of view, what they want to say about it. Samir, do you have something to talk about it?
Hello everyone, this is Misabi. This is Misami. Today I am going to tell about negative mindset. A negative mindset makes us believe that we are not capable achieving our goals by thinking positively, believing in us.
So basically, he said that a negative mindset is something that can stop us to improve in our life. So we have a lot of students. Mariam, do you have something to talk about it?
Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is me Mariam and I will tell you behind this problem. Inflation, in my opinion, inflation is a big problem because many people not become successful because of inflation. Poor people get depressed because they have a lot of dream but they cannot fulfill your dreams. They have spent luxury life but they cannot afford basic need like shelter, food, clothes. That's why inflation is a big problem. That's it.
So I would like to listen Ammar. Ammar, why are you not speaking? Do you have something?
Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is me Ammar. In my opinion, fear of failure is a big problem of this. We are afraid of making mistake. We don't try new things or take risks. That's why we are stopping from moving forward. Thank you.
So I would like to ask, does anybody have another point to talk about to address? What is another problem? What is another cause of this question? Rimsha, do you want to speak about it? Rimsha, we have Rimsha, we have Kamal. Does anybody want to speak? I think Kamal wants to say something. Kamal, do you have something to talk about?
Hello everyone, I am Komal. According to me, comfort zone is a behind reason this problem because comfort we when we feel comfortable we don't feel like to do anything. If we want to achieve something, we will have to live comfortable. That's it.
Yeah, do you have something? Do you think that is there any problem behind this that is stopping us to improve? Any problem? Like they address laziness, comfort zone, a negative mindset, inflation is there. Do you have something? So that's it, guys. It was really good. We got to know more about it, and we also got to know that we know the problems, but what we need to know is solutions. We need to find out the solutions because the problems we are aware of that. Thank you so much for watching us.